world where I can say anything I want in a movie trailer voice. A hero was lost.
Ma'am, are you sure you haven't seen Jimmy around here?
And then found again. Only to be lost once more. Where diecasts are resurrected.
Does that sound like a Volkswagen?
Anything could happen. Featuring new workbenches. Better zinc plating.
Oh, hell yeah. This thing's way nicer than my old one.
A new indoor spray room with a 265 CFM spray booth, LED lighting, and Squirrely Dan.
That's what I appreciate about you.
Is that what you appreciate about me?
Go easy, Squirrely Dan. Thank you.
Your sister's hot, Wayne. There, I said it. I said it. I regret nothing.
Customs, restorations, and shenanigans, bringing back some familiar faces. Well, almost all of them. A new year, a new location, and a new co-host. Diecast Resurrection presents The Resurrecting. Coming May 2021. Black screen.